Hello friends, you are watching a video from the Amazing Garden channel, and in this video I will tell you what you need to feed tomato seedlings now, so that it grows strong, does not stretch, gains a beautiful color. So that she actively began the growth of young leaves. You can see how well my top is growing now. This is primarily due to the fact that in previous videos I showed you what to put in a cup with seedlings. Only a week has passed since that feeding, and look how she has grown up. I'll leave a link here to the last video. That top dressing really works. But a week later, it is already possible to feed seedlings after transplantation, and it is also desirable to do this not with some kind of chemistry, but with a very affordable and very effective top dressing, which I will tell you about now. I also want to remind you that I have already talked about it this year. It was about a month ago when I soaked tomato seeds. This video is about succinic acid. It is sold in any pharmacy. There is also a specialized succinic acid that is sold directly in garden stores, but it is more expensive there. It's cheaper to buy at the pharmacy, but there is no difference. Preparing this top dressing is very simple. I'll show you an example of 1 liter of water. Accordingly, increasing proportionally water and succinic acid can be applied to 10 liters of water, for a large number of seedlings. We will need only 2 tablets of 0.25 hundredths of a gram. This is where 0.5 grams are dissolved in 1 liter of water. It is better to take warm water, so the tablets will dissolve faster, or pre-grind the tablets. After 30 minutes, they will completely dissolve, and it will be possible to apply top dressing. And the advantage of using succinic acid for seedlings is associated with the acceleration of the formation of chlorophyll in cells. Accordingly, the processes are faster, and also the nutrition from the soil of the cup is absorbed faster by seedlings, so it stimulates the growth of the root system, as well as the green mass. This will already be noticeable within a few days after the application of succinic acid. It also accelerates the adaptation of seedlings in the ground. It will be possible to repeat this feeding later when planting seedlings in the open ground. And it also helps to restore seedlings after diseases and prevents the accumulation of toxins and nitrates in plants. The most important thing for all gardeners is succinic acid. It is universal, safe for the environment and plants. To reduce the consumption of this top dressing and it is better absorbed by seedlings, you need to pre-pour your seedlings with clean water for a day, and then feed about 50 milliliters in each pot with seedlings. Thus, succinic acid will penetrate into the depth of the entire cup and begin to be absorbed by all the roots. Well, one more important point: if you have already fed something the day before, then you need to maintain a time of about 2 weeks between feedings. There is no need to overload your seedlings with food. Also, so that the seedlings in this phase of growth are not weak, do not abuse abundant watering. Especially if you don't have drainage holes at the bottom of the cup. This will cause the seedlings to wither. Therefore, to whom the information from this video was useful, put a like. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel so as not to miss the release of new videos. I wish you a strong seedling and a good day. See you in the new videos.